Hello, everybody. I welcome you all to my physics class. In this video lecture, today I am going to discuss about force and pressure motion, which is in chapter 2. This chapter deals with motion, types of motion, distance and speed, uniform and non-uniform motion, and weight. First, we discuss about motion. Before discussing about motion, have a look around your surrounding. You will see the trees, building, electric poles, lamp post, etc. These objects are fixed at one place. They do not change their place. It means that these objects do not move. These objects are said to be stationary objects and said to be at rest. The objects which are fixed at one place and which don't move at all are said to be stationary objects and said to be at rest. Stationary means the objects which is at rest, which do not move. So these objects are said to be at rest. So what is rest? Let us define rest. A body is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding with time. A body is said to be in motion. A body is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding with time. The object which is at rest are trees, electric poles, lamp posts, etc. When you and while you observing to your surrounding, you will also see birds are flying in the sky, bicycles are moving on the road, buses are moving on the road, aeroplanes are flying in the sky. These objects changes their position with respect to their surrounding with time. These objects are not fixed at one place. They are moving objects, and these moving objects are not fixed at one place. These moving objects are said to be in motion. Now let us define motion. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding with time. Definition of motion. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding with time. In order to classify whether an object is at rest or motion, we need to choose a fixed point in our surrounding, and that fixed point is called the reference point. Consider an example. If you are sitting inside of your house, you observe a boy is riding a bicycle from the window. This boy is in the state of motion with respect to your house. Here, your house is the reference point. We choose your house as the reference point because your house is fixed. It does not move at all. It is a stationary object. So we choose your house as the reference point. This is all about what is rest and what is motion, and how to classify whether an object is at rest or in motion. Now we discuss about rest and motion's relative terms. Imagine yourself two friends are sitting in a moving car and looking outside the window. You will observe that your position is changing with respect to the trees, lamppost, etc. Thus, thus we are in a state of motion with respect to the trees. But your position is not changing with respect to your friend which is sitting next to you in the same car. Therefore, you are in the state of rest with respect to your friend who is sitting next to you inside the car. So we can say that an object at a given time can be in a state of motion with respect to one object, while it is in the state of rest with respect to another object. Hence, we say that rest and motion are relative terms. In the next video, we discuss about different types of motion. Thank you.